Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is part 2 of a motivational Sunday video. I started these motivational Sunday videos when I was watching the YouTuber from Liberty Creek, and it's one of those inspiring videos that basically for you to get up in the morning and do something other than sitting down playing video games and watching TV, and get outside and get something done. And today I have a special guest, and I'll introduce you to him now. Today's special guest is Dylan from OddGuy ThatGuy. He's a YouTuber that does Pokemon Go games videos online, and check him out. I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom. And today what we'll be doing is basically cleaning up the backyard, getting it ready for the next Easter egg hunt. We did have a few windstorms, and we got a couple of down branches that need to get just picked up and out the way, and just basically make it safer for the Easter egg hunt. So let's get to it. Excuse me, we're supposed to be working today, and you're a perfect example of what I meant by getting outside and getting something done. And you're just laying down on the job, Missy. Get outside.
Go make some more eggs.
That's right. Go lay an egg or get some snacks. Not a snack on my carpet. Wait. What are you doing? Why are you laying down now? Oh my God. Here's what we'll need to be doing, is picking up all these sticks that are everywhere. We don't want a child to get impaled when they're running and excited, so all that needs to get cleaned up. So OddGuy ThatGuy is going to be working in this area here. Also, our seesaw had an accident, as you can see, so I'll have to fix this as well. Sucks. If you would like to see the video when I built that, I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom. Yeah, so that broke because a branch hit it, but it is what it is, you know. When you live out here and you have a lot of property, a lot of trees, windy days are pretty scary. So on windy days, it's not a good idea to be underneath these trees. And here's where I'll be working, trying to clean this area. This branch here fell from, I think, if that's an oak tree, I believe it belonged to that tree. I have no idea where it came from, but you can see it's pretty big. Some probably a little over 20 feet. And this we definitely will be using for firewood. So I think that's where it came from, that branch there. Summer, you gonna give us a help? So I don't have much battery. Well, I think that'll at least get most of this done. Chain's too loose. We gotta fix that. Okay, now that that's done, I could probably get some work done. Man, good job. And in this area as well, this is another area I'm gonna have to clean up. Probably won't get to this one today, but you only could do but so much in one day. Here's where I place my firewood. I moved these over because these already been there for about a year now. So the good wood I'll be putting here and the rest I'll be burning in the fire pit. And all this is an old bed frame that I'm using to keep the wood up off the ground. See this right here? This is what I gotta be careful with. Gloves or no gloves. Those little needles, those very thin thorns, they will go right through the glove. I don't know what kind of plant this is, but it grows wild in my backyard. Yeah, have to be careful. There's a lot of vines growing in this area. And I've just been pulling them out because I already tripped twice. So just trying to get this area reason why is because trampoline's right there. Don't want nobody tripping. So I noticed this. Does anybody know what this is? This looks like some type of jelly or tree sap. I've never seen that before. I'm not a tree guy. I don't even know what type of tree this is. But I'm just slowly working my way inward until I get to that guy. burning. So I had to stop to baby and monitor the fire because the fire just kept getting blown out. It's a little windy, but I just gotta baby it for a while. Okay, I took a little break. Had to change my shirt because I was sweating. It got hot out here. But take a break on cutting wood and burning it, and maybe start cleaning up the seesaw to get it ready to repair it. I never seen one of those before. Okay, we got the top part nice and clean. Now to clean the base. And then I'll go to my scrap pile and hopefully I have enough wood to repair it instead of going back out and purchasing wood. So I definitely can't salvage all of it. There was an ant colony living inside here. I'm just going to have to replace most of it, but I don't think I have enough wood to do that today. And this is all I can salvage from the base. I let the hens free range and sometimes they get carried away. They ended up going farther than I allowed them to. I see two of them here. Where's the other two? Excuse me. Yous went further than an acre. Come on, let's go back home. Come on, go. Go. I didn't say sit. Come on. Come on, go. Keep it moving. It's the middle of April right now, so I'm assuming it's safe to say we're not going to drop below 32 degrees. So I'll be removing my extension cord that leads to the chicken coop. And for those of you that didn't watch my video on the poultry fountain, that's what my extension cord is for. That was a lot of work. Hopefully I won't need this again until next year. Just to show you, my guard dog is looking out for me. Okay, the video you just watched, that was my Sunday motivation video back in April. I'm able to finally get around to release it. I have been taking some pretty big jobs. I'll leave links in the description at the bottom if those videos have been released already. But yeah, I've been pretty busy, so I am behind on my videos. So sometimes you'll see me in a in a winter hat or a winter coat in some of them. But yeah, no, we're hitting June right now, and hopefully I'll have this video for you by July. Right now I'm just catching up on some reading. Picked up this book here because you gotta continue educating your mind and just keep it moving and learn new things every day. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. You have yourself a good one. Oh, and one more thing. This video is dedicated to OddGuy ThatGuy and Liberty Creek. You have yourself a good one.